What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for a big case break of Cup tonight. It is break 700. Hopefully, it's going to be a good one. I got a feeling it will be. We're live right now. Good luck. Top 3 names after 4, taking home very important spots in this. 7:49 on the clock, and it is John down to Devin. Good luck, folks. You know how it goes. Top 3 after 4. 1, 2, 3. Is a timestamp? Timestamp on 3 says 7:49. 7:49 it is. Last and final, guys. Good luck. There you have it. Wow. Vanessa in spot 8 got 2 spots. Johnny in spot 1 and Ryan in spot 2, guys. Congrats. 8, 3, and 2. You guys are taking home the spots for this break, for this Raz. Fourth and final timestamp on this one says 7:49, and 7:49 it is. So congratulations again, Vanessa. You're going to get to pick your first 2. Johnny's going to get to pick the next one, and Ryan, you're going to get a pick as well because there's still some left. Thanks, guys. I know it was a big filler. Appreciate it. There's going to be one more coming for the last 2 spots. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you for the break tonight.